Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to disable apps on your iPhone. For example, I will show you how to disable the TikTok app. You won't be completely uninstalling the app, it will just be disabled. You will be able to click on the icon again and restore the app. How do you do this? You go into your iPhone settings. Now go down below and open the item General. Here we click the item of iPhone storage. There is a file count. I can disable the app to make it free up space. How do I do that? Go down below and find TikTok. I click here and click Offload app. Now this app is offloaded and is no longer taking up as much space. In a couple of seconds I've cleared the space. Now to restore the space, click on the application icon and it starts unloading. It's such a great and easy way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.